As a timber trade organisation that looks after the promotion and development of the timber industry, one of our core functions is to encourage the use of timber in built environment. And we are here in Archidex because we feel that this is the right exhibition for us to showcase to the building and construction industry players on the beauty and the versatility of timber. We have collaborated with architect interior designer Esmonde Yap, a young and talented architect who have designed this timber showcase for MTC, inspired by the local traditional weaving baskets.
The weaving waves started with a very simple idea, which is to celebrate Malaysia's timber heritage. Specifically, in this project, we looked at the Malaysian basket. So in a Malaysian basket, you see different elements intertwined with each other. So translating that into timber, it's another exercise. So we started sketching different ways of experimenting, and finally we found our form, which is to create a very beautiful arch along with intertwining timbers.
This is representing Malaysian Timber Council. So we had to look for local species. So we suggested Melunak. We have chosen this species due to the strength and the flexibility. When we are designing this and producing this, we want to make sure that this entire structure can be assembled, dismantled and reassembled anywhere in the world without much wastage.
One of the main challenges that we faced was the weight of the timber, especially at the apex of the pavilion. We had to trim the pavilion apex down to lighten the load of the overall structure. That will give the pavilion stability to it.
We hope the architects and the building construction industries will embrace timber as a sustainable material for their construction projects.